Okay, we are going to look at question number 25 from the Linear Equations, Systems, and Inequalities problem set. So I'm going to follow the link here to question number 25, and it is an inequality question, and our job is to figure out which of these could be a solution for the inequality. So a couple of things to keep in mind. When you talk about a solution to the inequality, you do have to pay special attention to this particular symbol, our inequality symbol. Keep in mind this is not an equal sign, so we're not exactly going to treat this like an equation. Instead, we're going to have to pay attention to the sign or direction of our inequality. If something has the less than symbol, then this means that the x values have to be less than whatever this value is over here on the right-hand side of the inequality. On the other hand, if we have something like x is greater than whatever we have over here on the right-hand side, then we have to make sure that we choose a quantity that is larger, not exactly equal to. So let's go through and solve this one and see what we end up with. It looks like we've got 47 minus 4x is less than 7. So what I'm going to do is just combine like terms here. So I'm going to subtract 47 from both sides of the inequality. And this leaves a negative 4x on the left-hand side of the inequality. This is less than, and then I have a positive 7 and I subtract 47. So this will leave a negative 40. From here, I'm just going to divide both sides of the inequality by a negative 4. And what I've done here is I have reversed the sign of everything on both sides of the inequality. So what used to be a negative 4x is now a positive x. And what used to be a negative 40 is now a positive 10. And with this sign reversal, I need to take special care to make sure that I maintain the logic of the inequality. So it used to be a negative x is less than a negative value. Now it's a positive x, and we'll need to change the direction of the inequality is greater than a positive quantity. So it says our x value has to be greater than 10. And so if we were treating this like an equation, we might be tempted to choose choice 3. But it turns out that choice 3 is actually incorrect. It says that x has to be greater than 10. So the only plausible answer choice here is going to be choice 4, which says that x is 11. And in fact, x can be any value that's greater than 10. So that means that 10.000001 is technically a valid answer. But if we're looking at our answer choices, only choice 4, 11, is the correct answer.